This one is called Deep Purple. This is the grand finale here on Halloween night.
Let me take a video on the phone.
This is it, okay?
70 shots.
70 shots.
70 shots?
Who bought that one?
Ryan.
How much was that one, Ryan? 20 bucks?
31 bucks.
31 bucks.
Yeah, this was the big one.
Halloween only comes once a year, folks. All right, stand back.
Hold on, hold on.
No, I don't think it's going to be loud, Hill. No, it's not going to to be loud.
Go. Wait, no.
No, I think this one's going to send up a lot of cool colors.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
You're in my body.
Here we go. Let's go.
Here.
Oh God.
Get back in case it blows up.
Oh my god.
Why is it still?
Oh,
Oh, there you go.
My camera stopped.
And that's it.
Was that 70?
That was worth 50 bucks.
I don't like that one more.
Yeah, I did.
That was not 70 shots.
Yeah.
No, I counted them all. It was 70.